In today's video, I will teach you how to turn images into a colored line sketch style portrait using AI. Let's get started. If you want to transform your photos into artistic colored line sketch portraits in just a few clicks, you can use Photo AI artifacts. Here, you can create unique hand-drawn style images from any photos, selfies, portraits, or even pets. To do this, go to your browser and navigate to Photo AI artifacts. And here, you'll find a variety of AI-powered editing tools to turn your photos into art. Now click Upload and select the photo that you want to edit. And make sure to choose images with clear facial features for selfies or portraits, or overly dark photos for the best results, and higher resolution images produce cleaner sketch lines. Now on the left panel, you'll see a wide range of art styles. Now scroll down to the Sketch section and select Colored Line Sketch. And the AI will automatically apply the Colored Line Sketch effect to your image. And you'll see your photo transformed into a vibrant sketch style portrait in seconds. Now, click the Compare button at the bottom right to see the before and after. And if you're not satisfied with the effect, click the Regenerate button on the effect thumbnail, and each regeneration usually takes about 10 seconds. And if you love this effect and want quick access later, you can hover over the effect thumbnail and click the star icon to add it to your favorites. And you can find all your favorite effects under the Favorites section for easy access. And once you're happy with your colored line sketch portrait, click Download to save it. And you also have optional features. You can post to earn to share your artwork to earn photo coins that can be cashed out. And you can also animate your art to turn your portrait into a short animated video using Photo AI Video Generator. Turning your photos into colorful artistic sketches has never been easier. With Photo's AI tools, you can experiment with different styles, regenerate until it's perfect, and even animate your portraits. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.